So guys, today is February 23rd, 2026, and this is like 5 a.m. in the morning. Now we have a time when we feed our bird. We feed our bird around 6 a.m. in the morning. But the essence of we feeding them by this time is because they want to remove their litter material. Now it's better you feed them early than to feed them late. So now if they remove their litter material before feeding them, they might remove it they might end up removing it by they might end up finishing removing the litter by around 8 or 7, and now you have exceeded the time you're meant to feed your birds, and which is not right. So it's better they feed them earlier than feeding them late. So they are feeding them now. After feeding them, they will not change their litter material. So this is pen 2, this is pen 1, our new arrival. These guys are 13 weeks already. They came in last week, so they're 13 weeks. So these guys are from pen 1 is 13 weeks. From pen 2 to pen 4 is 17 weeks. Okay, so now it's super better you feed them. This pen 3, don't forget, this pen 3. Now it's super better you feed them earlier than feeding them late. Now if you exceed that time of feeding them around 6, it will be an issue. Yeah, it will be an issue based on their feeding behavior. Okay, so it's better you feed them earlier than feeding them late. So when they're done feeding now, they will let them to rest more. After resting, they will now start changing the litter material, which is very important. They change it every 3 days. This is pen 3, sorry, I didn't. This is pen 3. As you can see, they are feeding them. That's the feed there. So this is pen 4. This is pen 4. As you can see, they are still feeding. They are feeding them. This is pen 4. So God have been so good. So it's better you feed them early in the morning. You feed them earlier than feeding them late to avoid changing feeding behavior. So guys, I recommend that your favorite poultry farmer, God both Kelly Chukwuebuka. This is Econess Farm. Early morning view. God is good. Now, as you can see now, they are done feeding them. They've allowed them to rest. After resting, the next thing now, they are cleaning up the litter material. Okay, so it's better you feed early and clean the litter material than you clean the litter material and come and feed late. It's not good at all. Okay, so as you can see, they are cleaning the litter material. I don't know if you can see. They are cleaning the litter material. So it's better you feed early than feeding late. Okay, so let me show you another place. You see, so this is what they do now. We fed them around 5. After feeding them around that 5, then we allow them to rest. After resting, they will now start cleaning the litter material. As you can see how they are quiet, just observing. Now changing their feeding behavior is not good. It's better you feed early than feed late. Feed early, then change the litter material, then changing litter material and come and be feeding late, which is not good. If you exceed that 6 o'clock of feeding, it may affect their feeding behavior. So Shaman, that's your favorite poultry farmer, God bless Kelly Chukwuebuka. Thank you guys. So this is the pen 4. They started with pen 4. When they're done with pen 4, they will go to pen 3. After pen 3, they go to pen 2. After pen 2, they go to pen 1. Before by 7 they should be done. So 2 people are clearing off from the under, while 2 people are packing off. We have 4 workers. Thank you. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please.